Om Namah Shivaya children. Good morning. Children, last week we have learned division by a two-digit divisor. Hope you have practiced. So today we are going to study about division by a two-digit divisor. So if you have not practiced, it will be difficult for you. So let us take one example. Divide 8,806 divided by 61. Okay. So let us see. 8,806 divided by 61. Okay, so first it is a two-digit number and it is 61. Here take two-digit number, that is two digits, that is 88. Okay, which is less than 61. So you have to check with 61 into 2 whether it goes or not. 61 into 2 is 2 ones are 2, 6 into 2 is 12. That is 122. So that means you need it is greater than 88. So you have to take a number which is less than 88. So that will be 61 into 1. So that 61 into 1 is 61 itself. Now you have to subtract. Minus അത് multiply ചെയ്ത് എഴുതി ഇനി subtract. 8 minus 1 is 7. 8 minus 6 is 2. Now it got 27, which is less than 61. Now you have to bring down 0. Now it becomes 270. Now you have to check 61 into which number will be 270 or less than 270. So 61 into, if you multiply 4, you get 600. 4 into 1 is 4, 6 into 4 is 24, that is 244, which is less than 270. If you multiply by 5, you get bigger number than the 270. So 61 into 4 is 244. Now you subtract. 10 minus, you have to bring one balance here. 7, bring 1, it will become 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. Now it becomes 6 here. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now it is 26. Now bring down this 6. It will become 266. This is also, it goes by 61 into 4. 61 into 4 is 244. Now subtract. When you subtract, you get 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So it is 22 itself. So the remainder is 22. Remainder, you got remainder 22. Okay, and the quotient is equal to 144. 144. Now divisor is equal to 61. So you got divisor is equal to, now you can check. How you have to check? Check quotient into divisor plus remainder should be, you get the dividend. You should get dividend. When you do this, you'll get dividend. Okay. So the formula is quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. So here quotient is 144. Divisor is 61. Remainder is 22. Let us see. After doing this, you should get 8,806, which is dividend. So let us do 144 into 61. So 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 1 is 4. 1 into 1 is 1. 6 into 4 is 24. 2 carry 4. 6 into 4 is 24 plus 2, 26. 6, 2 carry. 6 into 1 is 6 plus 2, 8. Okay, now add 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 6 plus 1 is 7. 8. Now add 8,784 plus 22. Remainder, you have to add the remainder. You get 4 plus 2 6. 8 plus 2 is 10. 0. 1 carry. 7 plus 1 is 8. And 8. Okay. So you got the answer. Correct, no? If you get like this, your solution is correct. Let us take another example. 9286 divided by 38. So as it is 2-digit, you have to take the 2-digit here, 92, and check 38 how many times, or less than 92, okay, how many times it will be. So when you check, you get 38 into 2 is 3, 8 into 2 is 16, 1 carry, 3 into 2 is 6, plus 1, 7, 76. Okay, then subtract here. So it is less than now 92. So you have to check and find out, okay. 2 minus 6 will not go, so you have to carry 1. It will become 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. Here remaining 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. Then bring down this 8. So it will become 168. Now you have to check 38 how many times, or less than 168. That will be 4. 38 when you multiply by 4, you get less than 68. So 8 into 4 is 32. 3 carry 2. Then 4 into 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15. So 152 minus 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay, bring this down. Sorry, 6 minus 5 is 1. So 16. Now bring this 6 down, you get 166. Okay, now you have to check again. So it will be the same, 38 into 4 itself, the less than 152. Less than 166, that is 152. 38 into 4 is 152. Minus 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 minus 5 is 1. So you get 14. Now you have to check. So here quotient is 244 into 38, that is divisor plus the remainder, that is 14. You should get, when you solve this, you should get 9286, that is dividend. So let us check. 244 into 38. 8 into 4 is 32. 3 carry 2. 8 into 4 is 32, plus 3, 35. 3 carry 5. 8 into 2 is 16, plus 3, 19. 4 into 3 is 12. 2, 1 carry. 4 into 3 is 12, plus 1, 13. 1 carry. 3 into 2 is 6, plus 1, 7. Plus, okay, when you add this, you get 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 9 plus 3 is 12. 1 carry. 7 plus 1, 8, plus 1, 9. Okay, 9272. Now what you have to do? Plus 14. Add 14. So you get 4 plus 2 is 6. 7 plus 1 is 8. 2, 9. So you got the answer 9286, which is the dividend. So your answer is correct. Next is division by 10, 100 and 1000. So first we do division by 10. So for this example, 254 divided by 10. So let us divide 254 divided by 10. Okay. So as it is 2-digit, here you have to take first 2-digit number. If it doesn't go, then only you have to go to next digit. Okay. So 254 out of this 25. So 10 2 times 20. Okay. Then minus 5 minus 0 is 5. Okay. Bring this 4 down, 54. So you got 54. Now 10 5 times 50. Now the remainder is, subtract this to 4 minus 0 is 4. So the remainder is 4. Now the remainder is 4. So here the remainder will be the ones place of the dividend. That is, dividend is 254. Dividend is 254. The ones place of this dividend is 4. So the remainder will be 4. Ones place of this dividend is remainder. and rest of the digit, that is 25, rest of the digit 25 will be the quotient, that is quotient is equal to 25. Whenever you divide any number by 10, so the remainder will be the ones place of the dividend, and quotient will be the rest of the digit. If it is here more digits are there, then it will be that include അത് കൂടി അതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ വരും. ഇപ്പോൾ 253 അങ്ങനെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതും കൂടി quotient കൂടെ 253 എന്ന് വരും. Okay. Next is divided by 100, division by 100. So here 100, when you divide 347 divided 100, so 3 times, okay, 3 times 300. When you subtract, you get 4, 0 minus 0 is 4, 7 minus 0 is 7, 47. So now it will not go because 47 is less than 100. So the remainder is 47. Okay, so the remainder is 47. So whenever you divide any number by 100, okay, any number na 100 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ വൺസും ടെൻസ് പ്ലേസും റിമൈൻഡർ ആയിട്ട് വരും. വൺസും ടെൻസ് പ്ലേസ് ഇപ്പോൾ 347 ആണെങ്കിൽ അതിൻ്റെ വൺസും ടെൻസ് പ്ലേസും എന്തായിരിക്കും, അത് ആ നമ്പറായിട്ട് 47, അതായത് ടെൻസ് ആൻഡ് വൺസ് ആ ഓർഡറിൽ ടെൻസ് വൺസ് ഓർഡറിലായിരിക്കും റിമൈൻഡർ. റെസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ദ നമ്പർ വിൽ ബി quotient. റെസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ദ നമ്പർ ഇവിടെ 3 മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. അപ്പോൾ quotient is equal to 3. ഇനി വേറെ ഡിജിറ്റ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതും കൂടി അതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ വരും quotient ആയിട്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ഇത് മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. ഓക്കെ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഈസ് ഡിവിഷൻ ബൈ 1000. So here I have taken number 1532 divided by 1000. So 1 times 1000, 1 times 1000. Okay. Then subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2, 3 minus 0 is 3, 5 minus 0 is 5. Okay, 532. Now it will not go because 532 is less than 1000. So 532 is the remainder. It is the remainder. So whenever you divide any number by 1000, the remainder will be the hundreds, hundreds, tens and ones. That is, സപ്പോസ് ഇപ്പോൾ 1532 ആണെങ്കിൽ ഇതിൻ്റെ വൺസ് ടെൻസ് ഹൺഡ്രഡ് ഈ 3 നമ്പർ, അതായത് 100, hundreds, tens and ones. Hundreds, one, tens and ones will be the remainder. അത് റിമൈൻഡർ ആയിട്ട് വരും. ഇത് 532 റിമൈൻഡർ ആയിട്ട് കൂട്ടും. റെസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ദ നമ്പർ, അത് ഇവിടെ 1 ആണ്, ആ നമ്പർ അതായത് അത് quotient ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കും. quotient is equal to 1, remainder is equal to 532. Okay, that's the rule. Now let us do the word problem. So the first problem is there are 1199 balls in 7 boxes. If each box can hold equal number of balls, how many balls will be there in each box? അതായത് total number of balls 1199 ആണ് balls. അത് 7 ബോക്സസ് ആയിട്ട് വീതിച്ച് വെക്കണം. അപ്പോൾ ഓരോരു ബോക്സിൽ എത്ര ബോൾ വീതം വരും, അതാണ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. ഹൗ മെനി ബോൾസ് വിൽ ബി ലെഫ്റ്റ് ഔട്ട്, അപ്പോൾ എത്ര ബോൾസാണ് ബാക്കി വരുന്നത്. നമ്മൾ വീതിച്ച് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ 7 ബോക്സസ് ഉണ്ട്, അതിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് 1199 ബോൾസ് വീതിച്ച് വെക്കുക. വീതിച്ച് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ബാക്കി വരുന്ന ബോൾസ് എത്രയായിരിക്കും, അതാണ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Now see the solution. You have total number of balls. Total number of balls is equal to 1199. Number of boxes. How many boxes are there? Number of boxes is equal to 7. 7 boxes is there, isn't it? Now what you have to find out? You have to find out how many balls, number of balls in each box. Okay, number of balls in each box, that you have to find out. First question, number of balls in each box. How you will find? You have to divide 1199 divided by 7. So let us divide 1000 199 divided by 7. 7 1 times 7 minus 11 minus 7 is 4. Bring this 9 down. 49. 7 7 times 49 minus 0. Bring this 9 down. 9. 7 1 times 7 minus is 2. So the remainder is 2 and the quotient is 171. So the here number of balls in each box will be 171 and number of balls left. Number of balls left is equal to 1. The remainder is the number of balls left. Okay. Next question is 6066 students participated in a quiz competition. 6 students formed a team. Okay. Total students how many? 6066. 6066 students are participate ചെയ്തത്. അതിൽ 6 സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് വെച്ചിട്ട് ഓരോരോ ടീം ഫോം ചെയ്യൂ. അപ്പോൾ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണ് ഹൗ മെനി ടീംസ് വെയർ ദെയർ. എത്ര ടീംസ് ഫോം ചെയ്യും? ഒരു ടീമിൽ എത്ര കുട്ടികൾ? 6 സ്റ്റുഡൻസ്. ഓക്കെ, 6 സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് ആർ ദെയർ ഇൻ എ ടീം. സോ ഹൗ മെനി ടീംസ് ആർ ഫോംഡ്? ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. സോ സീ ദ സൊല്യൂഷൻ. Let us see the solution. Number of students participated. How many students participated? Participated is equal to 6066. Number of students in a team. Number of students in a team. How many students are there in a team? 6 students. So number of teams. You have to find out how many teams are there. Number of teams is equal to, you have to divide 6066 divided by 6. Okay, let us divide 6066 divided by 6. 6 1 times 6 minus, get 0. This 0 you have to take it up. Okay, then here bring this 6 down. 6 1 times 6 minus 1. Then bring this, sorry, it's 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. Bring this 6 down. It is 6. Okay, then 6 1 times 6 minus, you get 0. So here the quotient is 1011. So number of teams is 1011 and each team has 6 students. Each team has 6 students. Okay. So children, today your chapter is over. So in the next class we will start new chapter. Okay. Thank you.